What's up, guys? So I am attempting the dual mic test again. I checked batteries, I checked levels, should be good to go. So yeah, I got out of work early today. We were having some power issues at the plant. Lost power for 18 hours now or something crazy. But yeah, so it's a beautiful day. So come home, take a little ride, do this test, hopefully get the audio synced up. And also, I should mention, I have a new seat. I got the Saddlemen Profiler. It so far feels really good. It sets me back just a hair bit further back. Not much. I don't even know if it's an inch, to be honest, but it doesn't have that really high backrest on it, so I can kind of get, you know, I probably do have at least an inch more in leg room. So anything outside of this for adjustments for more leg room for me is going to have to be extended forward controls, which I really don't want to do. But we'll see. This could be good enough. I'm just, more than anything, I just hope my butt stops going to sleep after I ride for 10 minutes, because that's what the old seat did, because I had to set so far back on it, and it has that kind of mini backrest to it. It's like I was kind of like up setting on that like angle, I guess. So after, you know, 10 to 20 minutes, it was anything but comfortable. What's going on? What's everybody up to? I guess I never did ask how everybody's Memorial Day was. I didn't really do much of anything, to be honest. But I know a lot of people make plans and cookouts, and some people are traveling. This past Memorial Day, it was the end of my week's vacation. I had a week off the week before, so Memorial Day for me was slightly depressing, because it was my last day off. Does anybody take any good rides? Any good scenic routes? There's some rides I would like to plan. I'd really like to go up to Milwaukee to the Harley Museum. I know they have some summertime festivals they put on with some bands and things, and it'd be a long ride, but I think it'd be really cool. Heck, even to get a trailer and trailer my bike up there and ride around, I'd be cool with that too. Actually, that might even be better. But I'd like to plan some actual rides. Like there's in Southern Illinois, there's a place called Garden of the Gods. You know, that's a really cool place to go. Very scenic, outdoorsy. You know, you get down there, if you're from Illinois, you get down there, you're like, no way is this Illinois. Like, it doesn't resemble anything you're familiar with when it comes to Illinois. But anyway, it's like a two-hour ride down, and it's all back highways and stuff, so it'd be a really nice, like, you know, first long, quote-unquote long ride. I mean, I've rode long days, but not long miles as far as like one destination. So it'd be really cool to go down there and check it out, make a day out of it, and come back. Hell, even stay the night, that'd be cool too. Just depending on how much you have planned and what all you can do. Yeah, I can already feel a big difference in this seat. Like getting my feet up and down off the pegs and stuff, and it sits a little lower than my stock seat, but it's pretty good. I mean, once I break it in, it's going to be even better. That looks like a police, possibly. Yep, hello, copper. I have to be careful on this bike, man. It's like so easy to do 65 everywhere you go. Like 60 just don't feel right. 65, for whatever reason, feels right. I forgot to mention on my last video too, I adjusted my rear suspension. Like I had that baby way too tight. Like Harley released, I guess, not just released, it's probably been available the entire time, but it had like a sheet you could look at to like see what your suspension should be set at versus like how much you weigh. And I had mine dialed in like I should have weighed 350 pounds. You know, I'm 220-ish. And I had it cranked up to like 3.5. I should have been on 0.5. So I adjusted that down, and yesterday, I believe, on my ride was my first ride with the new suspension like that. And man, what a difference. Like, I could not believe I had that baby cranked down so tight. I just assumed that's, you know, I put it like right in the middle, you know, like I'm a big guy, 220 pounds, like, made sense to me to have it around 3. It goes up to 5, so I was like, yeah, 3 sounds right. No, very far off. Today. I feel like this year is just the year of the wind. Like every good riding day almost is windy. I think we got 30-mile-an-hour gusts today. It's pretty annoying. We're gonna go through the covered bridge here. This road is so shitty. It's like, you know, they made this covered bridge an attraction, but they don't ever fix this road. It's like, what the fuck? It's like, I hope they're doing basic maintenance to the bridge, right? Like, shit. You got to throttle it through there. It's just the rule. I don't make the rules here. It's just how it is. So my exhaust is the Vance & Hines big radius, and I've really, I mean, the exhaust sounds good. I'm not trying to say it doesn't sound good, but I think I just expected it to be louder. Like I feel like it has some good growl to it when I, you know, get on it. But just like normal cruising, you know, 2,000 RPMs, like I can't hardly hear it at all. Which, I mean, you know, I guess to some that makes sense. I did play with taking the baffles out. I took the baffles out and rode it. Man, did it sound like crap. But I did see a video of a guy, and I wish I could remember who it was now. But he cut his baffles down. Like, he left 2 air holes in them and cut them right off right at that point. And he said, you know, they sounded a lot better after that. And he still had back pressure and all that stuff that you kind of need. Because when I took the baffles out, it removed like all back pressure. And it sounded terrible. So, yeah, don't want to do that. So maybe I'll cut them down. I thought about just buying another set of baffles and you know, testing those, cutting those down, so then I have a good set just in case I don't like them, because, you know, once you cut them, you cut them. But a new set's only like 80 bucks only. But buy a new set, cut them off, see what they sound like. So that's probably my plan at some point. And if I do that, I'll definitely make a video. And wow, that was a big bug. I know you heard that. Those look like cicadas. Yeah, year of the cicada. But where I'm at, like, there's another one. We didn't get as many as like some areas around. It's bad. Like, there's a town just like 15 miles north of me, and it's like crawling with cicadas. Like, people are getting mauled as they mow their yards and stuff, and we didn't really get them that bad. Which I'm not complaining, because I was like, man, riding a motorcycle is gonna really suck. Well, not just that, but mowing your yard or doing anything outside. But thankfully, it's, you know, just 15 miles south of where it's really bad. It's not terrible. It's about, to me, it's about normal, like what it is every year as far as cicadas go. So guys, I think that wraps up this video. You know, just wanted to take a quick ride and test these dual mics out. Hopefully I don't make a fool of myself again and don't have the audio that I thought I had. So anyway, thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and until the next one, peace.